Hi, this is Martin at Makita. I've got in front of here our new DLS110. This is a cordless version of the LS1019. It's pretty much an identical machine. All they've done is taken away the mains AC motor and replaced it with a 36 volt brushless motor. So that's now running off of two 18 volt batteries. Quick run through the spec of the machine. So if we're starting at the top of the machine, where the handle is, you can see we've got our battery indicators on top here, so it's telling you how much power is left in both batteries. We've got our safety trigger and switch here as well. 10-inch blade on here, 40-tooth blade on this one. Being a 10-inch blade, it's giving you 68mm depth of cut. You've got 310mm across the bed on there. Trenching facility on the inside here, so we can use that for trenching and doing tenons. Again, same as the 1019, great new feature with these saws is you can see the slide bars come out the front of the machine, so your head travels across the front of the machine now rather than out the back. So again, the back of the machine can be placed up against the wall. You don't need to pull it away from the wall to get the full travel on that. Slides can be locked off with the button on the side there, just rotating that. The head will bevel over in both directions, so if we undo turn knob at the front, so that will allow you to 45 to the left by holding the black button in. Again, 45 degrees to the right. Again, if we're going over at 45 degrees, we need to remove the back fence. What you can do on this machine with the switch at the back, we'll pull that switch forward. That will allow the head to drop over to 48 degrees. And when you lift it, you hear that will click and put the natural stop back at 45. The back fences, you've got the availability of putting those and swapping them over as well to give you a wider fence. So you've got bigger range, bigger gap in the middle as well. You can see it comes standard with the vertical clamp. Mitre angles, you've got, as you can see here, 60 degrees in both directions. 60 degrees to the left and to the right. You've got all your standard presets at your important angles. The other nice new feature with these saws is the dust extraction. So you can see at the back here, you've got a really large dust scoop. And if you look around this side of the machine, you can see where the dust extraction attaches to the machine. It then splits into two pipes. So it's actually sucking the dust from the top of the blade, and what that doesn't pick up, the scoop at the back here collects. I would say these are certainly a 90% improvement for dust capture, although it doesn't collect it 100%. Hopefully you'll be able to pick that up on the demonstration. So that's the DLS110. That's the twin 18 volt, 36 volt brushless 10-inch Mitre saw, and that's available in Toolstop.